guys, welcome to my channel. Hi, welcome to the world, welcome to GM's world.
Hello.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? How's the experience?
I don't.
It was very amazing.
Amazing.
All right. Join me and subscribe to my channel. Oops. Oh. I'm very glad. Really, it's a very wonderful experience.
Hello guys, it's another beautiful sunny afternoon once again. Please join me while I'll travel to Misfar Cave, Doha, Qatar. The direction should be from Salwa Road, exit 37.
20 minutes later.
So guys, you will not get lost because there are many signage, Misfar Cave signage, and you will not get lost. So just follow the signs and you will arrive to the location. So when you arrive at the location, you will notice plenty of vegetation. There are a lot of growing trees and grass that grows in the desert. So the place is very reachable with small cars or 4x4 cars. There is no problem.
A few inches later.
So guys, I have arrived at the location and let us check what's inside this Misfar Cave. I'm so very excited. Let's go! This is a very exciting, guys. Let's go! Yes! This is it! This is another beautiful day once again. I'm here in Misfar Cave. Down here is the cave. Meanwhile, I'll explore the inside of the cave. They said it's very depth. What? So come on guys. Let's see what's inside.
A few moments later.
OMG. This is very amazing place. See there are people there, down under. OMG.
No.
Let us explore the inside of the cave. The sinkhole. Be careful, the stones are very dangerous. So ayan guys, makikita nyo yung mga yung sa mga tao doon sa ilalim. Bumaba sila doon sa ilalim ng kuweba. So it's my first time also to look the cave. Inside the cave. So ayan o, mayroong mga ibon. Ayan. You go down there?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, yeah, cool. Yes, thank you. Alright, so let's explore. They said it's bit humidity down, so we'll see. Oh no!
Oh my god!
Mamang? one of our company, old lady. She's so very quick. She's very fast. She's very fast, and I don't know why she come that very quick. So ayan guys, nandito ako ngayon ulit sa Mr. Cave. Dahil pababa ako ngayon sa ilalim ng kuweba. Yung pinaka-famous na cave dito sa Qatar, yung tawag ng St. Paul na nag-form for almost 500,000 years ago. Ito na-form. So, let us come and explore what's beneath here. So, be careful guys when you go down. When you go down, it's a bit depth. Medyo malalim siya. Kaya, pag bumaba kayo dito, dahan-dahan lang ng konti. Kasi baka madulas. Ayan guys. See? Hey! What happened? I can smell the earth. No? Parang iba. Time. Only now I can go down this place. So come on, let's go down again.
2 hours later.
So ayan, nandito na ako ngayon sa may pababa. Sa mababang level ng cave. So yan guys, so makikita nyo, sobrang lalim na. Yan, ang ganda talaga ng formation niya. The formation is very amazing. So yan guys, no? Look at the formation of the cave. Look at how Mother Earth give us this amazing view. See, it's very wonderful again to come in this place.
2,000 years later.
Ayan, that's my sister. Sister Jenny.
So guys, let me tell you something. This Dal Almisper cave is about 35 meters deep. It is located south of Rodak Reserve area, and the exact age of the cave is unknown, but researchers believe that the period of the formation of the cave was less than the age of surrounding rocks, which are estimated to be around 40 to 50 million years ago, based on the sediments found in it. Grabe. So, ganun katagal pala na guys na nag-form yung cave na ito. I can see the gold. The glittering of the gold. See? Oh. Why there is glitters of gold here?
One eternity later.
It's a very wonderful experience. I have visited this place. It's a nice feeling. You know, when you come and visit the nature around you. So guys, this is where I have done my video. Subscribe to the channel. Oh, so nice. Let's hit the button. So that's. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.
Tina guys.
Tanong kung anong good. Naman mabantay ako sa inyo for what?
Oo.
Yes. Yeah.
Pagod. Tired too much.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.